As we move to the right of that, as we move to the left, you notice that both your values continue to increase until they got to the end of those lines. But it was only one point that it came to the center that was actually the shortest distance. And if you did know how to use your calculators, you could then actually measure the distance, measure the angle measurements in between here and find out that, and you can find out that the distance here should be 90 degrees. Now, what I'd actually like to identify is, I said draw the shortest distance from the point to a line. He has drawn a perpendicular line. The distance of this line is not the shortest distance. The shortest distance would be, yes, it would go from this point here to here, okay? That is the shortest distance, okay? Now we need to figure out, what is this value? What is this? How can we identify what that length actually is? All right. We've got our distance between a point and line formula. Now, as ninth graders, this is a little bit of a difficult formula to actually derive and figure out where it comes from. If you are awesome students, as I know that you are welcome to go to this website who provides you the proof how to get to this formula, okay? And it is involved with slope, our line, our slope intercept, okay? So these are the things that we need. We notice that we have a point, X and Y. We notice that we have a line. I have always provided you the line in slope intercept form. Those are the two things that you will need to know. Here's our formula, the distance of a point and line. We're still using D for distance. I apologize that I'm blocking your view. You just don't care, huh? I'm going to move here. Okay. So, we have Y1. Let's actually evaluate this line. Y would be the output of our input X. What is M, Spencer?
Slope.
Slope. How'd you know that?
You call it.
8th grade math.
Because I like the Okay. Marcelin, what is my B value?
B is the y-intercept.
The Y-intercept. How'd you know that?
Because you told us.
They're going to get A's.
Come on, tell me something.
We're going to get there. Okay. So this Y1 value identifies this Y1 value. I want you to understand that there's a Y1 which identifies the location of this point, and this location is here, which is the Y value of the point. The M, it comes from the slope, from our slope equation. Our X1, this is almost the most trickiest as our periods have went through. Many students identify this X1 to just be the standard X that you keep as X. There's an X1. That means there's this location, which again identifies with the X value of that point. Do not confuse those things. Our B is our slope intercept, and again, this is the same M as here, so therefore it is that slope. With the information that you've been provided, your definitions and your formula, I would like at this time on your pencil, on your notes right there,